Dumelang Lindlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with Umkhokha the Curse. Umenga no Nobuntu. They're celebrating, guys. People are investing like crazy. High amounts of money, your 100,000 rand, your 50,000, 55,000 rands are entering their account. Unobuntu yabuza ukuthi umenga ukuthi imali izwenzani. Umenga athi hayi khuleka wena bophiphondo kune-idea. And we all don't trust that idea, right? Unobuntu abhaqe envelope enemali nama-passports and everything. Abuza umenga ukuthi kwenzakalani. Menga bambayeka athi menga, we're not in trouble, right? We're not running away. No, we're not in trouble. We're not running away. I promised you that when we have money, we go to like beautiful things. And then Nobuntu goes to work, finds the account 00, the business account, asks the staff, the app that you're developing, how far is it? But there's no app that we're developing. People are already coming to the office and saying you guys are frauds. Like you could see at the point, like at the end of the day, this whole point will be left with Unobuntu and Nobuntu alone. After work, Nobuntu confronts Umenga. Umenga tells her, this is a scam. Like, do you want me to read for you in between the lines? Like, Unobuntu yambona uthi ukela gazi ukuthi kwenzakalani manje. Devastated. But she is the fall guy, definitely. Ndlovu decides to go and cover her bag, right? Aye kuManzimande, explains to uManzimande nje the way, hey, uMamzobe are uncontrollable, etlasini, the way uMamzobe this, the way uMamzobe that. And then uManzimande that we need to pay with uMamzobe because remember ukuthi thina siyakholwa and we must make sure that wonke umuntu ukholwayo uyezulwini, so we must bear with him. Athi but mina wathinta igama lami. Like you could see ukuthi uguy ufuna ukuziprotecta nje left, right and center. uMamzobe ke yena makavuka akathemba ukuthi ulele nesithando sakhe senhliziyo. Uyambona ugeli man ukuthi hayi man, hey akathemba ukuthi yazini sifube ngisadali. Udali ke athi hayi asikhuleke sonke, hey kugoqwe nje ngamadola nje. They were in prayer together. You know what they say was a couple that prays together stays together. Bahlale ke good breakfast table, told uKabsile ukuthi they're trying to fix things because they are a family and they want the family to be strong. Kabsile ke obviously was happy because of those news. Kabsile then goes to ubabakhe just to appreciate how much of a good father uPhakathayo is. Ngithi yes sis, yazi thina sikhumbula appreciate ubaba bethu, but uKabsile ke went and appreciated every single thing. Then left ubabakhe and went to uMamzobe and tried to tell uMamzobe ukuthi akazama ukuncedisa uNobuntu. And then uMamzobe amtshela ke ukuthi girl, umfazi ohlakaniphile, listens to her husband, darling. So I'm not putting myself into this. I am going to listen to my man. So period, no helping Nobuntu. Nobuntu must see to finish what she does with her life. uKabsile landa uMamzobe ekamereni. Hey mama uzobona. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi umama uzobona ubani uzobona uNobuntu kanti nix athi mama ngithi uzobona. Mangithi ungema nange dining room ku-wheelchair akasakwazi ukuhamba, ungema ubuyise everything, ungema athi nje bathi akasekho right. Uguliswa kusho ukuthi yini imali lekamkhulule. So imali seyifikile seyisemazandleni zikaMamzobe. uKabsile uyayibona nayi. Ngiyaqabanga ukuthi nama-jewelries are there, some of them. Uwazowabuyisela na uMamzobe, or will this be a 10 steps setback for her? When abuya kusasa sila digesta le ndaba sifuna ukubona ukuthi ungema uzoba yindoda ehambayo na or uyofele ku-wheelchair. Do like, share and subscribe. This is your girl Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.